Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the extender and connecting one end of a good Ethernet cable to the router's LAN port and the other to the extender's LAN or Ethernet port. Once done, make sure both devices show link lights. This confirms physical connectivity. You should log into the extender's web interface or app using its default IP or setup URL and enter the admin password. Explain why. Wired backhaul gives stable throughput and avoids double NAT. So begin in the extender's network setup screen. Now configure the extender for wired operation. Choose access point or Ethernet backhaul mode in the settings, because this turns off double wireless bridging and uses the LAN cable as primary transport. Next, assign a static IP or request a DHCP reservation on the router so the extender keeps a predictable address. This helps for future management. Make sure you set the SSID and WPA2/3 passphrase. Either copy the router's network for seamless. Finish by saving settings and rebooting the extender. Then test connectivity from a wired client and wireless devices. You should run a quick speed test to confirm the wired backhaul is providing expected throughput. If devices don't get online, make sure the router's LAN port is active and not a disabled VLAN. Try a different Ethernet cable or port and reboot both devices. As a last resort, reset the extender to factory settings and repeat configuration. This clears misapplied wireless-only modes that block wired backhaul.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.